hope that you are well and that you're taking good care of yourself during this quarantine period. I hope you're washing your hands all the time and not touching your face, like Mr. Budu said. And also, I'm very, very proud of you for taking the initiative. That means for taking the responsibility of learning online while you're away from school. So, I'm sure mom and dad told you about Google Classroom. And today, I'm just going to make a video to teach you on video what we've been learning. So, I'm going to start with healthy eating. Okay, so let's open up our healthy eating. There we go. Okay, so what we started off with was the food pyramid. Now, there are 4 types of food groups that belong in the food pyramid. The first food group is your carbohydrates. Now, the carbohydrates is something that we eat in most of our meals. For example, for breakfast, we might have some cereal. For lunch, we might have some rice and curry and rice. And for dinner, maybe we'll have a sandwich. Okay, so most of our meals do have carbohydrates. Examples of carbohydrates are, as you can see below, bread, which I have here, pasta, cereal, and rice. Now, mashed potato or potatoes and potato chips are also a form of complex carbohydrates. Okay, so although it's a vegetable, it is a complex carbohydrate that we eat as well. Now, the reason why we need carbohydrates in our body is because it gives us energy and helps sustain us for the day. And the next aspect that we have is fruits and vegetables, which I have here an example of a cucumber, and there's some grapes. Okay, and also an apple. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, now we need these fruits and vegetables to help give our bodies vitamins so that we are healthy and we're able to function throughout the day. Okay, and the next one that we have is the dairy products and proteins. So, dairy product examples are yogurt and milk. Another form of example for proteins is also our chicken, our fish, boiled eggs. Now we need those in our body because it helps keep our bones strong so that we're able to run and be active without getting so easily broken. So the proteins that we put into our body help strengthen our bones, so when we fall, our bones don't easily break. Imagine if every time we fell, our bones just broke. Then we'd be walking around like wobbly fish. So, we need these proteins and dairy products to help keep our body strong. Okay, and the last one, which is right on the top, as you can see, is our fats, oils, and sweets. Now, I know a lot of you love this one because a lot of you like to eat cake and really tasty, yummy sweets. But sometimes these things are not good for us. We can have them, but we should try and have a little because they can make us fat and unhealthy. Now, an example of these are something that I ate last night, which I was very naughty about, is ice cream and cakes, sweets. But also we do need some oils in our body. For example, we get some oils from almonds. And also when we cook food, or when our moms and dads cook food for us, they put either oil in the pot or they also put butter. Now those are okay, but we must have it in moderation. That means we should only have a little bit. We shouldn't have too much of it. Okay, so that's basically what our food pyramid is made up of. Now, let's look at a healthy plate for a balanced diet. Okay, so on our plate that we eat, we should have half of our plate consisting of vegetables, and a quarter should consist of a carbohydrate like pasta, bread, potato, any carbohydrates that you might be eating with your meal. And then the other quarter should be made up of your fish, chicken, whatever you're eating with your rice. Okay, so that's basically a balanced diet. Now, I just have one example here of a meal that you could have, and here it is pizza. So on this pizza we have a base which is made out of a dough, so that would be your carbohydrate. So the bottom part here is your base, and that is a carbohydrate. Then on the pizza we have some cheese, and that would be our dairy product. And on there we might have some chicken or some bacon, whatever food may be on the pizza. And now that's how we have a diet is formed. So in order for us to have a balanced diet now, we need to make sure that the food that we're eating is made up of aspects like this plate, where it's half vegetables, quarter carbohydrates, and a quarter of dairy products or protein. Okay, so I want you to remember to always keep healthy, eat healthy, be safe, and don't forget to answer the healthy eating quiz that I posted up. Okay, bye kids!